So guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. We are on ahrefs.com. Now we're going to be using this SEO tools for our website. If you're a website developer, builder, you have a blog or whatever you're using it for, then you need to follow this tutorial to the end. Now, don't sign in. I'm not going to be signing in or sign up or whatever. We're just going to scroll down to the bottom of this site. So scroll to the bottom. Now we are in the bottom. Now we're going to be going to Webmaster Tool. So it's under the SEO tools. So you can see there's so many and all that. So we go to the Webmaster Tools and click on that. So it will also bring a pop-up to say sign in for free or sign up for free and things like that. Maybe you want to do it for your own personal use, but we're not going to be doing any of that. So yeah, we're not signing in and you're not signing up. Make sure you ignore this. So now we're going to be scrolling down to the bottom of the page, which says you should sign up with Google or sign up with Facebook. I'm going to be using Google. So sorry, I need to accept. All right, so I'm just going to hit sign up. And it's going to take us to a new page, as you can see right here. So I'm going to be using this account. So guys, if you think you can, don't think this account is connected to anything. It's not linked to anything that belongs to me. So it's just for tutorial purposes or the account I use on YouTube. So we're just going to go start using. Okay, nice. Just refreshing it. Just cancel the other pop-up page. So now you say, where do you learn about? Okay, online. So yeah. Okay. Import or add a project and all that. So anyway, we're just gonna pick one of these steps. So I'm gonna import. Now I'm thinking of which one to go for. Is it automatic energy verification? So let's just import. Yes, thank you. So while you're doing this, I'm sure you'd have received email notification and things like that and all that. So just gonna hit continue. I've received that. So you can see it says important. It's working on the background. So once you have done that, it's gonna take you now, guys. I'm gonna stop here because I don't have a website I want to link. I only design website for people. I don't have my own website I want to link. So after you do that, it's gonna link to an account that belongs to websites, things like that. So once you do that, let's go back to. Let me go back to this. So it's gonna take you to Google Search Console where you have to link your account, and there you start. You just hit finish, and there you go. So I don't have a website to link, so I'm not going to go further than that, so I'm going to stop there. So, but once you do that, you're just going to create a project and start doing your things. So you can see it right here. It's already invite members, blah, 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 and things like that. So you can be doing things for free. But because I don't have a website, I can't go further than that. But once you do it, you are here. So you're going to get your backlinks, organic keywords, and all that. Everything's going to be here. So guys, that's just it. It's just a quick and simple one, and I hope this helps you guys. If you have a project, link your project. If you have a project, like I said, I'm just going to do this again for you guys to see. Once you follow it to this step, you will be fine. So I don't have a project to link to, so that's why. So if you have a project, just follow the steps and you will be taken to this page. Or you can cancel it and just like I did and come here and get your project set up manually by yourself. So yeah, that's it, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe, support the channel if you haven't, And I'll do more tutorials like this. I have a lot of tutorials that I've done in the past, so you can check them for anyone that would be beneficial to you.